Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY on these very cute buffalo check plaid pumpkins. So if you'd like to know how I achieved this, then please keep on watching. So the items you're going to need are some pumpkins, and then you're also going to need some plaid ribbon of your choice, some twine. I put Mod Podge here, but I didn't end up using it. Some paintbrushes and some paint to paint your pumpkins, and then of course a glue gun. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I did was paint my pumpkins. I first removed the stem away, which it's just a toothpick, so it was easy to remove. And I painted them because when I put the buffalo ribbon over the pumpkin, you can see the orange popping through. So I didn't want the orange to pop through. I wanted to just be the buffalo that stood out, the buffalo check. So I went ahead and I started to paint these gray. I would have preferred white, but I didn't have it on hand. But this worked just fine. So that's the first step that I did. So while I was waiting for my pumpkins to dry, I went ahead and got started on the stem. So what I did is I went ahead and measured around to see how much rope I was going to need. And then I cut that, and then I pulled apart the rope. It was in 3 pieces, so I wanted it to be a little bit thinner. So then I put a little bit of a little bit of hot glue, and I started to put that around the pumpkin stem until I reached the top. So once my pumpkins had finished drying, I went ahead and grabbed my ribbon and I started to measure how much I was going to need to cover the whole pumpkin. And I went ahead and started to cut even pieces until I had the total amount for the whole pumpkin. So once I had all of my pieces cut, I went ahead and started to hot glue them onto the pumpkin. And it is a little bit tricky because it is a round object, but you just have to play around with it for a little bit and it'll come out perfect. And then the last thing that I did was I hot glued the stem on top of the pumpkin. And that is it. That is the finished product. And how cute are they? They're so cute. I love them. And they go perfect with my living room decoration and perfect for my fall decoration. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up so I know to do more DIYs for you guys. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.